Welcome to Learning League. We're doing the Pop Rocks lick.
We're doing Pop Rocks. So I don't think Sophia has ever had Pop Rocks before. Have you had Pop Rocks?
No.
So I think we should try them first. You want to try them?
No.
Okay, so sprinkle a little bit in your mouth.
No, I want to sprinkle.
Oh, you're going to sprinkle them in your hand and then your mouth? You can do that. Do you hear it? It's popping. Try it. I think you'll like it.
I don't know.
It's okay. Be brave.
Is it popping in my hand?
It doesn't hurt at all. It's fun. Put it in your mouth. You don't want to?
No, I just...
You can do it. Be brave. It's okay. While she is being brave and trying them, Mommy's going to pour all of these into here.
I want to put them in there.
Okay. You want to pour?
Yeah.
So we've got lots of Pop Rock candy.
Do you hear it popping?
See them? Oh, they're popping.
And I want to do
Try
this.
that one. See if I can get it to where you guys can see. Yeah.
And I want to do... Oh, sorry, I put them on my
Oh, that's okay.
shirt. It's going to pop on your shirt.
It's okay.
Can I do mine in there, please?
Yeah, you can put yours in there. She's pouring them out in. Blue.
And I want to do the red.
The red. Oh, cool.
And now
Don't pour all of them because we got to have some to taste. So leave this one for Mommy. Did you do all the rest of them? Oh, you didn't do this one. Do you want to save that one for you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay, I like to order more.
Okay. All right. Now, we have a squeeze bottle full of soda.
Soda.
Yep.
Okay,
And I want you to squeeze it in there. Ready?
Set, go.
Go.
It's kind of pop.
They're popping everywhere. Ah! They're popping everywhere. Close your eyes so they don't get in your eyes. Do you hear it? Woo! That was crazy.
Look at all that.
Yeah.
Pop rock.
They are popping.
It talked to my doodad.
It did? Did it hurt or is it okay?
It hurt a little bit and now it's okay. But look at it.
Do you hear them? Listen.
I hear them.
You hear them?
Yeah. Close your eyes, Mommy.
Ah! Okay. Let's move it around a little bit. Ooh,
I want to move it around.
they're sizzling.
Like a pop rock paper.
All right, now Sophia's going to drink it.
No.
Just kidding.
Soda is not for me.
Yeah,
Soda.
Sophia does not drink soda. Do you want to try a little bit and see what you think of them in your mouth? It's okay. They're not going to do all this. It's just going to pop a little.
You're just gonna pop? You sure?
Yeah, it'll be okay.
Is it popping in my hand?
I don't know. I can't hear it over the pops of this. Pop, 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 pop. Want to try some? You don't want to try it?
Maybe I can put this.
You can put it in there and see what happens. Oh.
Whoa.
Ooh.
I'm gonna drink the soda.
No, I was just kidding. So is that a pretty cool experiment?
Yeah,
Did you like it?
It's okay if I touch it.
You can touch it.
Whoa, it feels cold.
It feels cold.
Yeah, you touch it, Mommy.
It does feel cold.
Yeah, I want to touch it.
All right. If you want to try this experiment, all you need is soda and Pop Rocks.
And you need an adult to help you.
Adult to help you, that's right.
Because you don't want it to pop in your face.
That's right. All right, guys, we will see you later. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.